Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to block access to any website in Windows computer. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, go to start menu and type here Notepad and right click on the Notepad and click run as administration. So you have to open Notepad as an administrator. Now click on the file, click OK, open. Now from the left side, go to C drive by clicking on the C. Now go to Windows folder by double clicking, and now go to System32 folder, open System32 folder. Now go to driver. Now go open drivers folder. Now again open etc folder, and now here you will see no files. So to view all the files, click here under the drop down, select all files, and now click here host file and click open. Now bring your cursor here, and for example, if you want to block facebook.com, then type here 127.0.0.1 and space, or press tab from your keyboard and type here www.facebook.com, and to block any website you have to type in this format followed by 127.0.0.1 and link of the website. Then save this file again by clicking on file menu and click on save. And now let's try to access the facebook.com. Let's see it's blocked or not. Let's open www.facebook.com. So you can see here my web browser is not able to log in into facebook.com website. Let's unblock it again. So to unblock it again, you just have to remove these lines and save it again, and let's try to reload it again, refresh. So you can see here now Facebook website is open now. So this is how you can block any website in Windows computer by simply using host file. So if you are finding this video information useful for you, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest videos. And lastly, thanks for watching my video.